What is going on, YouTube? This video I'm going to show you guys how I fixed my shifter, my sloppy shifter linkage in my F250. Real easy. Took me about honest 15 minutes. You need a T30, a little bit of Locktite, and a little patience, and hopefully you guys have the bolts and whatnot. But I'll show you guys how I went from this. Thinks it's in park now, but it's not. It's actually in reverse, so you can see can't even crank it over. So I have to move this. Look how much slop. I think I'm in neutral to this. Let's see. See if I can get you guys in here. So, found out one of my screws missing. Look at that. That's what's causing my issue. Unbelievable. Well, I got really lucky. I removed my mat, and lo and behold, this bolt was right under the accelerator. So nothing's broken. I jumped to conclusions. So I have here, you're gonna be needing a T30, have an extension. I do not have blue, so I'm just gonna put a small dab of red, not even a lot, just a little bit. And I'll be putting this in. And I know that's gonna fix my problem because this is ridiculous. I'm not even gonna move that anymore. I'm surprised it hasn't popped off right now. So let's get to it. All right, you guys. So, sorry, it's kind of hard. I was worried, so I took it off. I was thinking it was stripped. It's really not getting too tight. I don't like it. It's snug now. But because it fell off the way it did, I was being cautious. I'm leaving that second one, or the first one I started, and you can see how loose this second one is. So this was happening for a while, and me neglecting it led it to ultimate failure.
My hand. See, it's getting in and out, so that's probably from this bolt jumping around in here. It's better like this. Should have brought my ratchet. That made this a lot easier, but we'll go through the struggles with you guys. It's not fun, I'll tell you that. But good thing this only happens once in a while. I can't believe they didn't use any sort of Locktite in this area. You can kind of see these threads coming out. I'll show you. Really shiny, so I think this was wiggling.
This one was barely on there. See that shiny? That's what that bracket was jiggling on there. So let's get this done. A small dab. That's it. Because it's red, right? We don't want too much on there, just a little bit. I'll be more comfortable with blue, but do we have it? No. So let's go over here and start this bad boy. Fine as equal. Let's see what's going on here. All right. fingers. It's like, this ratchet, man, dude, this is, sucks. But honestly, I'm happy that it's just this. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, yeah. This is the one that I'm really concerned about, but let's see if it's still held. I'll see. Yeah, all right. There you go. Wow. Whew. Let's see. Oh, much better. Locked and park. A lot crisper. Wow, I can't believe. Probably been doing this since I got it. Actually, you know what? It has, because I don't ever remember one being on that side. Well, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope this helped you out. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out. I have another video to do of the door lock and the ignition cylinder from they tried stealing it. So, gotta get back to work. Y'all have a good one. Peace.